Okay, so this is for project number 5. This is the path model. And I also already calculate the PLS algorithm, and this is the result. So we're going to check our outer loadings. And in our outer loadings, all the value must be above or higher than 0.7. So the red ones are below 0.7. Therefore, it must be deleted. But before that, we have to check our AVE. And our AVE, or the average variance extracted, must be higher than 0.5. So there is one that's below 0.5. So we'll go back and we're going to delete this from assurance. So this one, delete. Okay, we're going to calculate the PLS algorithm again. Leave it like that and start. Outer loadings and construct. Okay, so all the AVE are higher than 0.5. Therefore, we do not need to delete any more data from here. Okay, next. Oh, and for Cronbach alpha and composite reliability, it's almost similar, but we normally check the composite result because the composite reliability is more reliable and more precise than the Cronbach alpha. And if the reliability value of our 0.95 and above, it means that there is a possibility of an undesirable response between variable. Next, we're going to check R square. So this is our R square. So from all the variables that we have, there are 0.074 or 7.4% that are affected between all of the variable. So this is our R square. And F square. So the F square, if it is below than 0.02, there is no effect at all. If it is equals to 0.02, it has small effect. If it is equals to 0.15, it has medium effect. And if it is equals to 0.35, it has large effect. As we can see, this one has medium to large effect. This one has almost no to small effect. And this one has a large effect. Okay, we'll check the collinearity statistics. So in this collinearity statistics, all the value must be between 1 and 3, both in the outer VIF values and the inner VIF. And it's all in green because it is all the values are between 1 and 3. So it means that it is good. The VIF, or the variance inflation factor, normally used to evaluate collinearity of the formative indicator. It ideally should be between 1 to 3 or lower, and if it is higher than 5, it indicates critical collinearity issue among the indicators. So all green, it means it has good relation. Next, we're going to check the discriminant validity. So all the value must be lower than 0.90 or 0.85. So all the value are below 0.90. And we'll go back to our path model. And we're going to calculate bootstrapping. So click calculate and bootstrapping. So before our subsamples are 300, so we multiply it by 10, so it's 3,000. Then start calculation, and we'll just wait until it is done. Okay, so our p-value must be below than 0.5. And if the p-value greater than 0.5, it means that it has no significant effect. If you take a look at the data, well, not everything are linked to customer loyalty. So we only focus on the data that are linked to customer loyalty, which are trust, retention, and assurance. But because all the data are in red color, which means that none of this has an effect on customer loyalty. And we'll check our outer loading. So there are two that are in red because it means that it doesn't have any significant effect. And this is the histogram. Yeah, it's basically the same. Okay, that's all, and thank you.